to the show, people. Now, we might not know or be experts when it comes to finances or even banking, but we definitely know who is Amerant Bank, all right? If you have any money questions, they have the answers.
Well, it's always a great day when we get to come down to Miami Beach. And today it is all thanks to Amerant Bank. We get to be at your beautiful Miami Beach location with the one, the only Danielle Andrade here with Amerant. Welcome to Inside South Florida.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for having me.
Now, we get to talk about the awesome topic of international banking today. That's something that you do here at Amerant, and of course, that Amerant does so well. So how does your bank support individuals with international financial needs?
Well, we have over 45 years of experience in the international banking. Amerant Bank was the result of a spin-off from a company that was born in Venezuela over 100 years ago that used to be Banco Mercantil, and eventually in 2018 it evolved to be a public company. And I've been with the company almost 20 years by now. As far as the resources key, most of our customers belong or are sitting in different Latin countries, some in Europe, unfortunately as a result of the macroeconomic environment in the countries where they live. So they have to move and live in other places. So the fact that they can reach out to us through the call center, it's fully bilingual, speak their own language, have access to their funds remotely, move those funds without restriction. In many places, you have to go to the branch if you are in the U.S., large institutions, and only when you're at the branch, you are able to move those funds.
So with all of that wonderful knowledge that you have, what advice would you have for other businesses that might be looking to expand internationally?
Great question. I think it's important to understand the regulatory environment. As part of my work I think one of my duties is not to achieve or grow in relationship. That's in nature. That's, as a salespeople, that's something that is embedded within your position. But I think in the way I see it is financial literacy, to educate customers, understand or make them understand what's, the do's and don'ts on the different jurisdictions that you are.
And a little bit more, because you talk about the front end of the process. How about the back end? Any success stories from clients that have used you guys' international banking services?
Probably 2-3 years ago, we entered into a different country. We went to Argentina and Uruguay. So long story short, we went there 2 years ago, and they feel pretty comfortable with the brand. They feel comfortable with the name. The fact that we sponsor different teams also, that's something they like back there in Argentina. The Miami Heat, they love it. The fact that we're opening accounts in Argentina by being here is just amazing. The fact that their accounts are being successfully implemented, the fact that they can access their funds with the service that we received, very nice comments on that end. So that's one of the success stories I would like to share.
One of many, and so much success in your time with Amerant. Danielle Andrade here at Amerant Bank in Miami Beach. Thanks so much for hanging out with us.
Thank you very much.